Hi guys, welcome back to the Dream Build Workshop and the latest of our competition. This time we're giving you the chance to win this incredible Scott Ransom. Just a reminder, entries are open worldwide no matter where you live, cost only £1 and you've got 14 days in which to enter, and it couldn't be any simpler. All you have to do is follow the link in the description below and buy your tickets. Let's take a look around this awesome bike and see what you could win. The Ransom is Scott's state-of-the-art enduro race machine. This one we've had custom painted with gold leaf. It's a size medium and features a carbon front triangle. Here in the cockpit, we've got the Syncros Hixon carbon fibre one-piece bar and stem, which also includes their super neat cable management system. Braking on this bike is taken care of by SRAM Mavens, and we've paired these up with the Galfa Shark rotors. Suspension on this bike is full Fox factory. We've got the 38 up front with 170mm of travel, DHX2 coil rear shock, and the transfer dropper. We've got the race face era full carbon wheel set on this bike, and we've paired these up with Schwalbe tyres with the Magic Mary up front, Albert on the rear, and the radial carcass. And for the gears on this bike, we've got SRAM's fully wireless GX T-type axis, and we've paired this up with a pre-waxed chain from KMC. And to finish the bike off, we've got the gold SDG Bel Air saddle and race face chester grips. Now, if you want a chance to win this incredible Scott Ransom for just £1, it really couldn't be any easier. All you have to do is follow the link in the description below, buy your tickets that cost £1. Entries are open worldwide no matter where you live, and you've only got 14 days in which to enter. So buy your tickets now and good luck.